welcome to this short video about the LINX Member Portal, how to update your portal roles and permissions. Since the launch of the new LINX Member Portal, we have started to introduce access restrictions allowing you to control the permissions and portal access functionality for your users. At the moment, two areas are controlled by the roles assigned to users, but this will expand over time. Access to the billing section, which gives you visibility of your account and past invoices, and the payment status of those invoices, is limited to those with the Guardian or Finance role. Access to the self-service functions, in this case changing of MAC addresses for your ports, is restricted to users with the Guardian, NOC or Implementation roles. Changes to the permissions of the users are only allowed by the Guardian of your company. Once the Guardian has logged into the portal, it is very easy to view and modify the permissions and roles of users within the organisation. You can do this by going to the Accounts section and click on Account Users. In the search box, enter the name of the user details you want to modify, in this case Mike, and you can see the account roles that have been assigned to him. By clicking on Manage User and then Edit User, I can modify any details, and this includes the roles. In this case, I'm removing the NOC role from the user. Once I click Save, the changes come into effect immediately, and you will see confirmation of this. The changes are now in effect, the role has been removed, and an email has been sent to confirm those changes. And that's how simple it is to control the permissions of your users.